How do you expect your dreams to work if you don't get a little spunky sometimes? Now let's talk about the word spunky, or someone who has a spunky personality. I know this word means some different things in different parts of the world. So just in case you're confused about this word, like you've heard it before and it's a different definition from what you remember, I'm using the US definition. I'm a big vocabulary geek, a big vocabulary nerd, whatever you want to call me. I like using different words. I like expanding on my vocabulary, just to make people think when I talk to them and stuff like that. Not to make me sound like I'm a know-it-all, but just to give people some new gems, some new words, so they can kind of use in their vocabulary and kind of expand their mind a little bit. I mean, it's a small thing, but hey, small steps go great distances. I've said that before. I got that from Eric Thomas. Shouts to E.T. the hip hop preacher. But small things go a great distance, man. But let's get back into the word. Spunky means someone who is high-spirited, someone who is brave, courageous, someone who has high energy, something along those lines, depending on where you look. And I feel this is very, very important when it comes to our dreams, our goals, and our aspirations, because we have no problem setting the bar for ourselves, especially people in my generation. Like, what we want, we know what we want. Like, we know that we want to be entrepreneurs. We know we want to be millionaires, billionaires, business owners. We want to be professional athletes, content creators. We know what we want. But the issue is we say what we want and then we wait for what we want without putting forth any effort, without putting forth any energy, without putting forth anything, without giving anything towards our dream, our goals, and our aspiration. That's the issue. And it can come from a lot of different reasons, but I think the biggest reason is having the courage, being brave. Like, our problem is we don't know if we're actually gonna make it. We don't know if it's gonna be worth putting forth our time and our energy towards that dream and goal, because we don't know if it's gonna work. And that may come from your own brain, that may come from the people around you, but I think that's the number one reason we aren't brave enough. We aren't courageous enough. The energy that we have doesn't match the goals that we have for ourselves. And that's a bar. I need you to write that down. I'm gonna say it one more time. The energy that we have doesn't match the goals that we have for ourselves. I don't know if y'all ever thought about that. The goals that you have, the dreams that you have, it's gonna require a certain amount of energy from you. It's gonna require a certain amount of effort from you. Like, you cannot receive anything if you don't give anything. I know you have heard the term give and you shall receive, correct? I've never heard of receive and then you shall give. So a lot of you have been waiting to receive, but you ain't giving nothing. You haven't given no energy. You haven't given no effort. And I'm not, and you might feel like I'm coming for your neck, like,
Pat, come on, man. Let go of my neck, bro. You trying to slit my throat.
Man, nah, man, I ain't trying to do that. And if you feel that way, hey, the shoe fits. But some of you need to look yourself in the mirror and you got to ask yourself, am I giving the energy that is required of me? Am I giving the effort that is required of me? Because a lot of you have big goals, and I'm not telling you to shrink them. Matter of fact, I'm encouraging you to keep your goals where they are. I'm encouraging you to keep your dreams, keep them where they are, keep them how they are. But you need to understand that the bigger your dream is, the more is going to be required of you. You're going to need to give more energy. You're going to need to give more effort. You're going to need to get spunky. So you have this goal, you have this dream. Now it's time for you to work backwards. All right, I need everybody right now, grab a pen and pad. Maybe if you're not on your phone right now, maybe you're watching this on your laptop or something, grab your phone, go in your phone notes, however. I need you to put this somewhere, all right? I need you to write down every single goal that you have. And if you have a lot of them, maybe keep it at 3 to 5. Write those goals, write those dreams down. And then while you write those down, I need you to write down everything that's gonna be required of you to attain those goals or those dreams. Because I have no doubt in my mind that you're gonna be a millionaire. I have no doubt in my mind that you're gonna be one of the next best big entrepreneurs in the world. I have no doubt in my mind. You have all the potential in the world to do that. But what I need you to understand is the bigger your goal, the more that is gonna be required of you. And if you aren't willing to give what is required of you, then you aren't prepared to receive those blessings that are attached with your dream or your goal. We're just gonna say it like it is. And this isn't me doubting you, this is me telling you the truth. You have to be ready to give everything. If you want everything in life, you have to be willing to give everything. And don't worry about the duration, like how long is it gonna take for me to get there? Don't worry about that, because all you may need is 365 days of pure work and dedication and grind and all the energy you can put in so you can be living the rest of your life as the best of your life. All you may need is 6 months of grind and dedication just so you can live the life that you want to live from this point forward. But the only way you find that out is if you get spunky. Like, I'm gonna have everybody saying, spunky, get spunky. I'm trying to get spunky. I have a spunky personality. It's a fun word to say. You are a high energy individual. You are high spirited. You are brave and you are courageous. You've just been needing something to bring it out of you. You've been paying too much attention to your negative conscience and you haven't been paying too much attention to your positive conscience. So allow me to be your positive conscience, because you're not gonna ignore me while you're watching this video. Let me tell you something. You can do this. Your goals are exactly where they need to be. Your dreams are exactly the ones that you should have had. The only thing that's missing now is the energy to match those things that you want. Because I guarantee you, you will not reach those goals unless you have the energy to match it. And it's been said before, everybody wants the cake, but don't nobody actually want to make the cake. Yeah, I want this beautiful house, but you don't want to go through and build your foundation. That's the problem. That's the issue. It's not the fact that you want the big house. It's the fact that you don't want to work to build the big house. And listen, I'm a big believer. 2021, a lot of big things are going to happen for you. A lot of great things are going to come your way. A lot of blessings are going to come your way. They're waiting on you. You're waiting on it when they're waiting on you. They're waiting on you to get prepared. They're waiting on you to get spunky. They're waiting on you to develop the energy required so you can actually attain everything that you have in your path. Because the only thing that's blocking you is you. And you thought it was that person. You thought it was that situation. The only thing that's blocking you is you. So I need you to get out your own way. I need you to get spunky. I need you to get brave. I need you to get courageous. I need you to get energetic. I need you to get highly spirited. Because it's in you. We just gotta keep cracking at that same wall until we unlock our full potential. I hope you watch this video and you get something from it that allows you to unlock your full potential. But at the end of the day, the only person that can unlock your full potential is you, yourself. You are the only person that can unlock your full potential. Y'all have a super fantastic day today. Make sure to not leave this video without hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. Share this video with someone you feel needs to get spunky in their life. Like, you know someone, maybe you are that person, but if you know someone that needs to get spunky so they can achieve the things that they've been telling you about, all the ideas that they have, at some point those ideas have to become real. They have to manifest into something real. It's not enough just to talk about these things. We have every resource that we need to get the things that we want, the things that we talk about. $1 million really isn't unbelievable. I don't care where you come from. $1 million is attainable for all of us now. All we gotta do is get spunky, get brave, get courageous, and get energetic, and put in our time, put in our energy, put in what's required of us so we can attain the things that we want. Now I'm ranting. Some of you probably already left this video, but I don't care. I'll see y'all when I see y'all, all right?